Hello everybody. So I just went to my car and saw that my tire is flat. So it's really low on air. So I need to put it in the air compressor and fill it up with air. Alright, so the air compressor is plugged in. Go ahead and start it up. Okay, unfortunately there's no power going here. So let's take a look to see what's wrong. Most likely a fuse. Okay, so what we want to do now is get to the fuse box, and in order to get to the fuse box, what you want to do is just push back on this guy right here. And there's a couple of tabs that you'll need to push, and one of which is this one up here. So push down on that until you hear that click. And you should feel it clicking, and then push this tab as well. So push down on that, and then your glove should come down like so. And I don't know about your glove box, but mine has this little form right here that shows the fuse locations, and let me show it to you right now. Okay, so here's the full image right here of what each fuse does. And just from reading forums, I know it's for fuse 8, so is this one right here. And from reading this, I would have guessed that this is the cigarette lighter outlet right here, because I have no idea what that symbol means. But I know it's fuse 8 from reading forums, so thankfully there's forums. And I'll leave this pause so then you can get a good view of other things as well. Okay, so we know it's fuse 8. So that fuse is up here in the upper left corner of this chart. So we need to look for that in the fuse box, and as well as get the corresponding amp for it. And so fuse 8 right here, so it says amp is 20. So you want to look for a 20 amp fuse. Alright, with the glove box down, you can see that right behind it are the fuses. And what we're looking for is fuse number 8 right here. Kind of difficult to see. Yeah, it's the yellow one right there on the upper left corner. And luckily, my fuse box still has a fuse holder, so go ahead and get that little holder right here. Hopefully you still have it as well. And so it's pretty handy, so it gives you the ability to check fuses whenever necessary. So let's go ahead and get that. And my fuse looks like this. Yeah, I can't really tell if it's blown or not, but we'll replace it anyways. Okay, so toss that out. And I have this cheap fuse kit from Amazon right here that I'll be using, because it's a nice little assortment. And here's the replacement 20 amp fuse. The replacement is on the right, the old fuse is on the left. You can see the difference here. Fuse on the left looks like absolute shit and pretty worn down. So let's go ahead and put this guy in, the new one, and hopefully that works. Okay. As you can see, the air compressor is getting power now. Yep. And so as expected, it was just a blown fuse, and I'm glad it was just a fuse because it's really cheap and easy to replace. And all you have to do is just get any kind of cheap fuse kit, like what I did on Amazon. I got this for about $10 to $12, but any fuse kit would do. And if you have any other kind of electrical issues or anything, definitely check your fuses first and replace that before you do anything else that's more costly or more work to replace. And hopefully this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.